Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to today's session on improving average speed of answer, or ASA, in call centers. ASA is one of the most critical metrics for customer experience, directly reflecting how quickly incoming calls are answered after entering the queue. But achieving faster ASA isn't about a single solution. It requires people, process, and technology strategies working seamlessly together, from smarter workforce planning and advanced routing systems to automation tools and real-time monitoring. In this presentation, we'll explore a holistic approach to improving ASA, ensuring speed, efficiency, and customer satisfaction go hand in hand. Let's begin with workforce management and staffing, the foundation for improving the average speed of answer. Accurate forecasting is the first critical step. By leveraging historical call data, analyzing seasonal trends, and incorporating AI-powered forecasting models, call centers can predict call volumes with a much higher degree of accuracy. This ensures that staffing plans are proactive rather than reactive. Next comes schedule optimization. Aligning agent schedules with peak demand hours and using part-time or flexible staff during sudden spikes helps maintain service levels without overstaffing during slower periods. But accurate schedules alone aren't enough. Adherence tracking plays a vital role. Even the best forecasts fail if agents log in late, take unscheduled breaks, or miss shifts. Real-time monitoring ensures coverage gaps are minimized, keeping ASA under control. Finally, cross-training agents across multiple call types allows for greater flexibility in staffing. When call volumes surge in one queue, trained agents can seamlessly shift to handle overflow, reducing wait times for customers. Together, these strategies ensure the right number of agents are available at the right time, balancing operational efficiency with customer experience. Next, let's talk about smart call routing and IVR design, two powerful levers for improving the average speed of answer. First, we have skills-based routing. This approach ensures calls are automatically directed to the most skilled or qualified agents based on the customer's needs, whether that's technical support, billing, or a priority escalation. By matching calls to the right agents immediately, we reduce handling delays, eliminate unnecessary transfers, and resolve issues faster. Then there's the IVR menu experience. Complex, lengthy menus force customers to spend precious time navigating options before they even reach the queue. By designing shorter, intuitive menus, we help customers reach the right agent quickly, minimizing frustration and improving ASA. And finally, priority routing comes into play. VIP customers, critical issues, or time-sensitive calls can be handled first without disrupting overall ASA targets. This ensures that while the highest priority calls get immediate attention, the remaining queues remain efficiently managed. Together, smart routing and simplified IVR design prevent unnecessary call transfers, cut down menu navigation times, and ensure customers connect to the right help fast. Now, let's explore the role of technology and automation in improving the average speed of answer. First is the Automatic Call Distributor, or ACD. This system ensures even distribution of calls across available agents, preventing some agents from being overwhelmed while others sit idle. A well-optimized ACD keeps calls moving smoothly and reduces waiting time significantly. Next, we have AI-powered chatbots and voice bots. These tools handle frequently asked questions and simple inquiries automatically, freeing up live agents to focus on complex or high-value calls. By reducing the volume of calls requiring human assistance, ASA remains lower even during peak periods. And then, there are callback options. Instead of keeping customers waiting on hold during busy times, they can opt for a callback while maintaining their place in the queue. This not only improves customer experience but also helps call centers manage high traffic efficiently. Together, these technologies decrease queue congestion, optimize resource usage, and keep ASA low, no matter how busy things get. Now, let's focus on agent productivity and training, two areas that directly impact the average speed of answer. First, we have real-time coaching. By leveraging analytics and call monitoring tools, supervisors can guide agents with faster resolution techniques without compromising service quality. This helps agents develop stronger problem-solving skills while reducing handling times. Next is reducing after-call work, or ACW. Post-call tasks such as summarizing conversations or updating systems can delay agents from taking the next call. By automating these tasks with AI and workflow tools, agents become available for the next customer much sooner, lowering ASA. Finally, gamification and KPI-driven incentives play a powerful role in motivation. Recognizing and rewarding agents for maintaining low ASA targets while delivering quality service keeps teams engaged and focused on continuous improvement. Combined, these strategies ensure agents work efficiently, stay motivated, and keep queues moving quickly. Next, let's focus on the importance of monitoring and adjusting in real time to maintain control over the average speed of answer. First, live dashboards provide supervisors with real-time visibility into ASA, queue lengths, and call volumes. This enables proactive decision-making rather than waiting for issues to escalate. Then comes dynamic resourcing, the ability to shift agents between channels like chat, email, and voice based on traffic spikes. This flexibility ensures no single channel becomes overwhelmed while others stay underutilized. Finally, intraday management allows for quick interventions. Whether it's rescheduling breaks or temporarily extending shifts, these small, real-time adjustments prevent minor ASA fluctuations from turning into serious SLA breaches. Together, these strategies create a responsive and adaptable call center environment, ensuring performance targets stay on track throughout the day. Now, let's look at ways to reduce unnecessary call volume, an indirect but powerful method to improve the average speed of answer. First, self-service channels like knowledge bases, FAQs, and AI-powered chatbots empower customers to find answers on their own, without waiting in a call queue. This immediately decreases the number of inbound calls needing live agent support. Second, proactive notifications play a key role in preventing avoidable calls. By informing customers about known issues, outages, or delays via SMS, email, or push notifications, call centers can preemptively address concerns before they result in a surge of inquiries. Both strategies free up agents to focus on complex or critical calls, ensuring that when customers do need assistance, they get through faster and experience shorter wait times. Finally, let's discuss SLA and KPI alignment, the framework that ensures average speed of answer goals drive both speed and quality. First, it's important to set realistic ASA targets. The widely used industry standard, the 80-20 rule, aims for 80% of calls to be answered within 20 seconds. But this must be adapted to your call center's size, resources, and customer expectations. Equally critical is balancing ASA performance with service quality. Driving agents to answer quickly should never come at the cost of first call resolution, as solving the customer's issue in one interaction is far more impactful than speed alone. By aligning ASA targets with broader service level agreements and KPIs, call centers ensure that customers get both fast and effective support, creating a positive experience rather than focusing on speed in isolation. To summarize, improving the average speed of answer requires a balanced approach across people, processes, and technology. Workforce management ensures the right number of agents are available at the right time through accurate forecasting, optimized scheduling, and cross-training. Smart routing and IVR help customers reach the right agents quickly using skills-based routing, simpler menus, and priority handling. Technology and automation reduce wait times with ACD systems, chatbots, and callback options. Agent productivity improves with real-time coaching, automated after-call work, and gamification to keep agents motivated and efficient. Real-time monitoring enables quick responses to spikes through dashboards, dynamic resourcing, and intraday adjustments. Reducing unnecessary call volume with self-service tools and proactive notifications prevents queues from overflowing. And finally, SLA and KPI alignment ensures targets focus on both speed and quality, delivering a better overall customer experience. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.